Hello, hi, this is Elvin here, and welcome to TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. This is our weekly commentary on price action and some currency pairs. In this section, I'm going to be talking about some of the majors, minors, and gold price action. So stay tuned. If you like my channel, do subscribe. Click on the notification to receive a ping from me, and I hope to hear more from you soon. All right, so very quickly, in front of me, I have euro dollar on a weekly chart. What I'm looking at right now is that price has gone through a downtrend, and now it's slowly crawling up. Not too long ago, to be exact, it went up to. So this is around January, early January. It went up to the 1.23 level. Okay, so right now it has come down, and I'm looking at a long continuation. Okay, will this continue? Not too sure. If I were to look at price action, to be honest, I expect price to come a bit lower before going higher. Mm, it hasn't broken the previous high, which is around the 1.256 level. So until it breaks that, nothing is confirmed. It might just go into a funny range. But then again, currency pairs do tend to range a lot. So what I'm looking at is looking for the support and resistance level, and look at trying to see what price is going to do next. Okay, so very quickly, if I were to pull my feet level, price came down to the 62% level. It's testing it. It is also testing the lower end of the upward channel. Technically, it hasn't broken it. It is kind of testing it, but it could potentially continue to go higher since this 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 trend line or this channel here with 1, 2, and 3 solid touches is giving me a good direction. So if I were to zoom in a little bit more and look at this, at 1.2 level it came down, and it came down with some solid price action. It is now retesting the bottom of this low here, which is the 1.19. So I'll call this the I've drawn here a little range. It's not very clear, but maybe I should change my color. This range would give me some sort of perspective in terms of where it would be going next. So there you go. So this is my range. Price came down, tested it, gone up, came down, broken it, retesting it. Um, Looking at price action, it might go lower for now. So this is a fairly mediocre strength kind of ceiling right now. Right, so that's my view. If it does come down, then I am looking at the 1.16 level, and potentially something in the middle before it gets before we have to review again. Right, so that is euro dollar. Moving to pound sterling. Pound sterling is very nice. A, B, C. I'm not sure if you can see it. You got A, B, and C. Right. So in terms of that A, B, C pattern, what I would typically do is try to measure this part to here. You're talking at 207. So I I would expect a similar run to go up to 207. Uh, that's Yeah. So if it's equal in length, then 207 would be somewhere around here, which is a bit more of what I expect. Having said that, price is just retesting the previous high around the 1.425 level. Um, I suspect that price may pull back before it continues, but price action has been pretty solid. Very close, very close range, consistently giving higher highs and higher lows. So that would be my expectation for now. Um, However, if it does come down, then I am looking at this 1.35 level. And if it breaks it, it's going to go to my 38% fit. But I think this 1.35 is a solid one. I would look very closely to this. This would be my new range before it goes higher. Right, so that is what I expect. Next, we have Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is an interesting one. I've pulled it out from a very big picture. Price did come down very sharply, and this turnaround just went bonkers. For those who are in this market, then there'll be an interesting time. This was around March, early of the year. Sorry, not early of the year. March 2020. Yeah, this is a monthly chart. I beg your pardon. So going to the weekly, then I can see some nice price action. So its price has been very bullish, consistently going high and high low. This is consistent with the pound sterling. What I am looking at is that my target is price will be going to the 0.81 level. So I do believe price will continue to go higher despite some breathing space around this area. Moving to the smaller time frame, I suspect price would be looking at. So I have drawn my fib level. So I suspect price would be, if it does come down, it will retest this 0.756. Let's make it a round number. 56. It will retest this level before it goes higher, which is a previous low, which will also give me my double bottom pattern. Yeah, that's my target. It's moving up, definitely moving up. And I think price is fairly consistent right now, so I do look forward to 0.81 if it does happen, right? So that's my view. Yen, I mentioned last week that I'm very bullish yen. So if price does go up, unfortunately price didn't give me a continuation. It gave me a little pin bar. But then again, this is price action. Price could do a breather before going higher. If it does, then 110 is my target before I look to review what it will be doing. If it doesn't, then I will be looking at maybe the 105, 107, maybe 108 level to be exact. Alright, why 108? It's really price is really choppy, but I can see a few touches here and there. I can't say it's a solid line, but this is what it is. And let me just test the fib level. Yeah, I think so this would give me a nice little zone here, and let's see what happens. If it doesn't come down, then I will look to take it long from here before targeting 110 again, or prices continue upwards. So that's potentially possible. Moving from that, I have CAD. Not trading CAD actively at the moment. Because I think it's in a very nice range. I am waiting for price to come to the 1.21 level before taking it long. Of course, for those who want to trade on a smaller time frame, you can take a few shots before getting to the 1.21. Having said that, not for me. I'm just waiting for it to retest this level before making a decision. Last but not least, we have gold. I've drawn a level around 1690, which happened to be on the 62 fib, the Fibonacci, which is not very clear here, but let me see. It's a bit clearer here. 61.8. It's drawn here. This is my levels. Very nice bounce, very nice channel, and I potentially look at a long continuation. Having said that, the next level up coming up from there would be to go above the 1760 before going any higher. So let's see what price we'll be doing here. I suspect price will just break above and just continue going long. Okay, so that's my view. I know it's quite a mouthful. Hopefully you find this interesting. Thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you soon.